The asteroid belt is like an interstellar mystical movement. Not only are the ghosts of asteroids dancing in their orbits, there are more hidden things that make the scientists unknown and mysterious events. Legend has it that there are some unusual phenomena in the asteroid belt. It has been claimed that in the depths of the asteroid belt, an unknown wave of radiation was detected. This has led to speculation about unknown energy sources. This mysterious radiation seems to transcend our existing theories of physics, become an unsolvable mystery in the solar system. What's even more fascinating? Concerns about certain areas of the asteroid belt. An anomalous gravitational field was found. Make the asteroid in this area exhibits an irregular trajectory of movement. This triggered a series of about whether there are unknown gravitational bodies or wormholes. Speculation exists in the asteroid belt. It's as if there's a hidden door in the solar system. A mysterious door to an unknown universe. There is also a mysterious legend. Some observers claimed, on the edge of the asteroid belt, caught the flickering brilliance. A bizarre pattern of light and shadow is formed. Scientists are puzzled. Some believe that this is an unknown optical effect. Some speculate this could be the edge of the solar system, a mysterious exchange of information with other galaxies. In general, the asteroid belt is not only a time capsule for the solar system, it is also the stage for a series of mysterious events. This corner of the universe. Perhaps there are also secrets that we cannot understand, waiting for scientists to unveil in a loop. Make time feel slow. A sense of accomplishment and excitement need to be pursued. Set small goals for yourself. Focus on doing something meaningful. Cherish every touching moment. This doesn't matter when it starts. Every day in the moment will be the longest of life. The most wonderful day. To make time feel slower. In addition to cherishing every moment, we can also do this by exploring new things. To inspire freshness. In everyday life. Try new activities. Learn a new skill or make a new friend. Can add color to life. Break the monotonous cycle. Cultivate a new stream experience. Allow yourself to fully dedicate yourself to what you do. Not only does this make the time feel more fulfilling, it also helps to increase productivity and creativity. Moderate pressure and challenge. It can also inspire our passions and animals. Make time in a fulfilling challenge. It gets deeper. Our solar system began to form about 4.59 billion years ago. At the beginning of the formation of the Sun, the accumulation of gas clouds and dust formed a huge rotating cloud disk known as the solar nebula. Under the influence of gravity, the nebula collapses, and with contraction, it begins to rotate faster due to the conservation of angular momentum. This rotational motion lays the foundation for the formation of the Sun's circular astrolabe in and around the center. The dust particles in the circular astrolabe gradually condense into larger celestial bodies, called microplanets. The size of these microplanets, ranging from pebbles to mountains, they collide and merge to form round planets. For millions of years, these round planets continue to exist. Planets were eventually created. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest galaxy to our Milky Way. It is located about 2.5 million light-years from Earth. It is moving towards the Milky Way at a speed of about 300 kilometers per second. But this speed is not constant, because the gravitational pull between two galaxies changes depending on where they move. At this rate, it is estimated that the Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way will collide in about 4 billion years. This collision will be a spectacular sight, and could lead to the formation of a new and larger galaxy. However, the collision will not be instantaneous. The two galaxies will pass through each other first, and then they will be in millions of years. Merge a new galaxy. Don't hold your breath. We are about to reach a major milestone in human history. Some scientists say the next few centuries will be a make-or-break situation for us. Will we ever be a tiny zero-level civilization? As our humans get stronger and smarter, so do our energy needs. Kardashev stated that civilization can reach 7 theoretical levels. Some scientists estimate that the human level is only 0.72. In order to reach the first level of civilization, development is still needed. A Tier 1 civilization refers to a species that can collect and store all energy from nearby stars, powering its growing population. This means we need to increase energy production by a factor of 100,000 to achieve this state. Some scientists say we can do it in 100 to 200 years. Reach level 1 civilization. And the second level civilization refers to can control all nearby stars and use all its energy, and can build a belt with 3 spheres. It's like a giant ball orbiting a star. Collect all its energy, then send it back to the planet it came from. With so much energy, anything in science, none of them can destroy a second-level civilization. If humanity becomes a second-class civilization, if an object the size of the moon is facing the Earth, we can vaporize it, or even move Jupiter to block it. And if you reach a third-level civilization, you can travel across the galaxy. Humans who evolved into this civilization may look very different from us. It's like a machine with biological and robotic parts. These humans may also have a group of robots that can be replicated and spread throughout the galaxy. But because of the laws of physics, their travel is limited. Other words, unless they invent a kind of light ratio, or a new way to deliver faster by gravity. Reaction is just a theory at the moment. Kardashev believes the 4 seasons civilization cannot exist. Here's why. It wasn't on the initial scale. Reasons beyond the 3rd category. He thinks the 3rd category is the limit that any species can reach. Some agree with him, but others think the level of civilization could be higher. Other scientists on the 4 lines and above civilizations were theorized. For example, the 4 elements will be able to harness all the energies in the universe, or even living in a black hole. This technique needs to be used. The laws of physics that we don't yet understand. There may not even be the resources to discover at this point. And the 5th level civilization is even more incredible. It will be a level that has the ability to control the universe itself. It will also exist in a world with multiple parallel universes. These types of civilizations will have the ability to fulfill to different universes, and even the ability to create our own universe. They control reality. The population will be scattered all over the universe. In theory, this civilization is indestructible. Level 6 civilization is even more powerful. They can not only create and fulfill to other universes, you can also control the basic functional rules of these worlds. It will exist in many different universes at the same time. They may affect all the laws of physics that we know. They also exist in many different versions of space and time, with different paths and futures. And the 7th level civilization is capable of performing and controlling the entire universe. This level of power is believed to come from individuals rather than civilizations, because civilizations merge into one omniscient and omnipresent entity. Let's slow down. Before we reach all these incredible levels, we need to at least be 1. At the moment, humanity is not advanced enough. It cannot be considered an alien civilization, because we only use a few energy sources, such as wood, coal, and oil. But there are many other sources we have not yet discovered or used it. We need to rely entirely on renewable energy, such as wind, sun, and water to meet our energy needs. In an alien civilization, energy is just as important as air. One strategy is to place natural disasters translate into something positive. For example, we can use a tsunami to generate electricity. Use earthquakes to help us change the land. By controlling the Earth's energy, we can also control the weather. For example, if a place is experiencing a drought, we can send rain to get it moist again. If we become a first-class civilization, we may be able to balance the amount of carbon in the atmosphere and ultimately control the temperature of our planet. This means that natural disasters will be easier to predict, less disruptive. In addition, we can even stay in places we never thought possible, like underwater, on the top of an icy mountain, or in the desert. So how close are we to this level of escalation? A recent study. They found that we could achieve high energy levels. But this won't happen until 2371. In addition, let's not forget that the first rule of being an advanced civilization is not to secret. Until we manage to travel to the edge of the universe, Earth will remain our only home. Have you ever thought that in the depths of the universe, there may be one of the earliest alien civilizations, which is far more ancient than human civilization can imagine? These civilizations may have existed since the dawn of the universe, and their development and evolution have traversed endless rivers of time. These ancient alien civilizations may have wisdom far beyond the level of human technology, and they have been exploring the mysteries of the universe since the formation of our planet. Perhaps they built an incredible civilization, blending technology with philosophy, creating an advanced culture that was hitherto unimaginable. Over time, these extraterrestrial civilizations may be in all corners of the universe, leaving a unique mark. Or at the edge of the universe, an unrivaled interstellar empire was built. They may have mastered energy beyond our understanding, so that its civilization can survive for a long time, beyond the lifetime of the universe. These extraterrestrial civilizations may have long since transcended the boundaries of matter, entered a higher level of existence. Their technology may no longer be constrained. The laws of nature as we currently perceive them. Rather, it is through miracles that transcend time and space. An incredible technological miracle has been created. However, although these alien civilizations may have ancient intelligence, we still know very little about them. They may exist in a way that is difficult for us to understand. It has been with the life forms we know for a long time. Perhaps they exist through some highly developed form of virtual consciousness, beyond the bondage of the flesh. In our quest to explore the universe, maybe one day, we were able to stumble upon traces of these ancient alien civilizations. Through the information left behind by them, learn about their history and culture. However, this may be only a small part of the infinite mysteries of the universe. Our perception of extraterrestrial civilizations, still an uncharted territory in the depths of the universe. These earliest extraterrestrial civilizations, probably the forerunner of the universe, long before the formation of our solar system. They've leapt to the top of the stars. They may be in the macroscopic structure of the universe, left a subtle impact, shaped the trajectory of galaxies, make planetary systems and stellar clouds, formed under their guidance. These civilizations may have a reserve of knowledge that is out of reach, enabling them to foresee the future of the universe, adjust the life cycle of stars. It may even affect the evolution of black holes. Their technology may transcend our understanding of the boundaries of matter, by directly manipulating time and space. A miracle of technology has been created that transcends the laws of nature. These alien civilizations, perhaps a network of civilizations across the stars, has also been established. Connect galaxies together. The timely transmission of information has been realized. Their social structure may be beyond our comprehension, built on deep wisdom and empathy. A highly harmonious community has been formed, despite the presence of these alien civilizations, probably far beyond our history. But they may also have undergone tremendous change and evolution. Maybe in their long history, there has been a profound cultural shift, innovation. It could even be a cycle of destruction and rebirth. On our planet, we may be able to find traces of the existence of these extraterrestrial civilizations, such as a bizarre star structure, highly complex interstellar signals, or geological phenomena that transcend nature. Through careful observation and research, we may be able to gradually unravel the mysteries of the universe, uncover the existence and influence of these earliest extraterrestrial civilizations. However, it's just that. A speculation about these ancient alien civilizations. in the scientific exploration of the future. Maybe we'll have a chance. Communicate directly with these alien civilizations, thus gaining a deeper understanding of their history, culture, and technology. It will be one of the greatest adventures in the history of mankind. It may revolutionize our perception of the universe. Have you ever wondered if there ever been an extraterrestrial civilization in the universe? The universe is a vast and mysterious existence, full of endless possibilities. Human beings have always been deeply interested and curious about whether there are other intelligent life in the universe. So, is it possible that there is an extraterrestrial civilization in the universe that predates the Earth's civilization? This question will be explored next, and its possibilities will be analyzed from a scientific point of view. Part 1: The diversity of the universe and the origin of life. The universe is a vast and diverse place. Contains hundreds of millions of stars and planets. Scientists, through observation and research, many Earth-like planets have been discovered. These planets possess some of the basic conditions for the existence of life, such as the right temperature, liquid water, and a stable atmosphere, etc. According to our understanding of the origin of life on Earth, the self-assembly and evolution of organic molecules is the basis for the formation of life. In the right environment, simple organic molecules can be developed into more complex biomolecules, and further evolved into complex life forms. So on an Earth-like planet, the origin of life is possible. The second part is the evolution and development of extraterrestrial civilizations. Suppose there was one of the earliest extraterrestrial civilizations in the universe. Then their origin may predate the appearance of life on Earth. On long timescales, this extraterrestrial civilization may have undergone hundreds of millions of years of evolution and development. They may have more advanced technological and civilizational achievements. This extraterrestrial civilization may have mastered advanced energy utilization, communication technology beyond our imagination, and the means of rapid space travel. They may have built a large and complex system of civilizations in the universe. We are engaged in exploration and resource development. Part 3: Detectability and communication challenges of extraterrestrial civilizations. Despite our presence in extraterrestrial civilizations, full of curiosity, but so far, we haven't detected it directly. Evidence of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations. This may be due to the vastness of the universe and our technical limitations. We currently rely mainly on circumstantial evidence to find the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations, such as a weak electromagnetic signal detected, anomalies or signs of life on planets, etc. However, there are still uncertainties about the interpretation of this evidence. More research and observations are needed to draw conclusions. Other than that, even if we discover extraterrestrial civilizations, communicate effectively with them, it's also a big challenge. Because of the language, cultural and technological differences, it can be difficult for us to understand each other and establish an effective way of communicating in the pursuit of the universe. Whether there are the earliest extraterrestrial civilizations on the way, we need to be humble and open-minded. Although no conclusive evidence has been found at the moment, but the endless possibilities of the universe, let mankind be full of hope for the existence of extraterrestrial life. Through scientific observations, experiments, and research, we may be able to gradually unravel the mysteries of extraterrestrial civilizations that exist in the universe. This will have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and life, and further expand our horizons. Regardless of the final answer, exploring the universe is a great and precious undertaking in itself. It not only promotes the advancement of science and technology, it also makes us more aware of what makes us and the planet special. Regardless of whether or not the earliest extraterrestrial civilizations existed in the universe, we should all continue to forge ahead, explore the mysteries of the unknown,